Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a beautiful 1940 Ford. Got the son's owner here. He's going to tell us a little bit about it. How are you doing today, Joe?
Very well, Mike. Thank you.
Cool. So you remember this car from back in the day, huh?
I do.
Your dad's owned it a while, I suppose.
Dad has owned it since 1982.
Wow.
It's been in his own garage, and it's a 1940 Ford Coupe Deluxe. A lot of blood, sweat, and tears, and pride and joy built into this with his own hands. How
long did it take him to build it? You remember?
I just know it was years.
Years, right?
I was a kid at the time, and throughout my childhood, he was in there building and going to shows and building some more. And so I would say, you know, for at least 10 years, from like 82 to 92,
wow.
was
it's an early build, yeah.
Yep.
So probably finished in the late 80s.
Yeah, I would say late 80s.
Cool. Got a lot of nice older parts on it. You really can't find. They do make reproduction parts for this car, but it's nice to have, you know, original stuff on the car. The car is all steel except for the rear fenders. It's got a nice stance to it. Got a Rack-N-Pinion steering up front with tubular A-arms. 327 turbo 400 transmission, 12-bolt rear. Paint was probably done 30 years ago, right? 20, 30 years ago?
Yeah, I would say somewhere around there. And the interior was custom done as well to make it more comfortable to drive.
Looks like it was finished in lacquer. Very durable paint. Very nice chrome bumpers. He removed most of the trim, it looks like, just to clean it up, give it a hot rod look. Tires are in great shape. Beautiful straight body. Got a custom seat in here. The white with tan and the burgundy really goes well. Tilt steering column. It's a 3-speed automatic, turbo 400. VDO Gauges, showing 12,513 miles. It's about what he has on it, right, on the build?
Yeah, that's about right.
Heat works great. Very reliable car. What's your dad do for a living?
Yeah, he's retired now, but spent his career in project management in the construction industry, you know, building large-scale malls and hospitals and things like that.
Very cool. I could tell he's got a lot of attention to detail.
Yeah, a lot of fun trips to car shows. I used to learn some as a kid watching him do his mechanics in the garage.
Yeah, it's like a lost art now, man. It's gonna pop. There's a trunk or a hood pop in here, which is nice to have. It's got a 327. Nice coilovers up front, Rack-N-Pinion steering with tubular A-arm. Shorty headers. Nice electronic ignition. K&N air filter. It's a high rise. WeBe carburetor. Probably out of a Cadillac. 4-barrel. Stock DM intake. I like it, you know, keeps everything reliable. I mean, this car's been idling here for a good 40 minutes, right?
No, it runs really nice, and it sounds really good too.
Yeah, it's got full masters on there.
Yeah.
When you get out and it lightens up a little bit.
Yep, it feels good when you're in there driving it too.
It'll idle here all day long at 180 degrees. Very cool. Can we buzz it around the block?
Yeah, let's do that.
Yeah, let's go for a ride. It's cold here today, guys. It's almost like 30, 35 degrees. Paint is Wimbledon white.
Sounds good under acceleration.
Yeah.
Looks like he's eyeing you up a little bit driving his car.
Exactly. I know he misses it too, you know.
Yeah.
Nice and solid.
Yeah.
Really nice.
Yeah, today's cars don't feel like this, so even I enjoy the difference in the feel and the sound and
Yeah. Yeah. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's webeautos.com. Thanks a lot.